Oh, whoa. Man, I know I probably look crazy right now. But hey, man, y'all go like and subscribe to the channel, man. It's been a long time coming. I've been doing my videos for a minute, y'all. And I need y'all to go run up that likes, run up them comments, run up them subscriptions. And, you know, do that for me, though. But, I mean, y'all, other than that, the boy good. I've been straight. You know, I'm just checking in with y'all. Man, I know y'all see the growth. And I know y'all know the vibes. You know what I'm saying? And, man, one thing I'm going to say today, that it's been a long time coming. And one thing that I've been really studying the most is the stock market. Y'all, and I feel like everybody on my channel, if you subscribe to my channel, you should own one stock for sure. Because in Robinhood, you can get a stock just for signing up. So you should definitely have some type of trading platform. You know what I'm saying? And not only that, if you sign up, you can get other people money under your link. So if y'all interested, y'all can hit the link in the bio. But with that being said, y'all should all have some type of stock or something, being that y'all subscribe to my channel. And that's just like, you know, the main thing, or one of the things I'm learning at this point, which is the stock market, y'all. And I'm going to speak on that today in today's video, because it's very much essential in coming up in life. And, you know, the more money you put into the stock market, you know, the more of a return you'll get. And the more you learn about it, y'all, like I said, it's a fair trade for money. And that's how you have your money work for you. And like, crypto is a good place to put your money. ETFs, that's a new thing I'm trying to get into and learn about. Because I ain't gonna lie, I kind of slept on the ETFs. But I mean, I ain't gonna speak on no ETFs. But I mean, I kind of got an idea of what the ETFs are. And like options trading, which you can do through the app. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, with that being said, like, I might start dropping more and more gems. Well, I ain't gonna say might, I will start dropping more and more gems, like as far as the stocks and stuff. Because, I mean, most of my investment has went into like health and wellness, which I've been doing for a very long time, or like the stock market, you know. So, and also clothing. That's one thing that I've gotten into that I want to explore a little bit more. But, you know, the stock market, that's really like a major play in investing in your future. Like the S&P 500. Like, if you think about it like this, your money, right? Your money, your hard-earned money that you work for every day is essentially getting broker if you keep it in a savings account or a checkings account, right? Because every year or a couple years, you know, inflation happens, which is 3%. So if your money is not growing 3% every year, like, you're literally getting broker and broker. Your money is worth less and less the longer you keep it, if it's not in something that is growing above inflation, which is 3%. And one good thing about stocks is it's sure to beat inflation. And the stock market is literally not going anywhere. Like, people trade thousands of shares at a time. Literally. Thousands of shares at a time. Hundreds of thousands of shares at a time. And, I mean, basically, you beating inflation, being that the market is proven to grow at least 5 to 8%. Some people say more, depending on where you put your money, but it's gonna grow 5 to 8% every year. And I mean, that's hella good because you beating inflation. And like, I was watching a video by a guy that actually teaches the stock market, and he was saying that, man, he was basically saying like, you can get your funds reinvested automatically off of dividends, and if you invest enough money into a stock which you own, ownership keyword, every time they pay out dividends, it should be enough to buy you a stock each and every time. And I was like, wow, like that really blew my mind, because I ain't never thought of it like that. And I have some money in the stock market. I do. And I ain't gonna lie, I actually took some money out of the stock market at one point, and I just thought I was big balling, but I probably should have left that money in. But I mean, you know, you learn from your own mistakes. And I mean, you know, I wanted to have fun. I wanted to enjoy my money. I had some money I had sitting in there. I was going broke trying to make sure I put money in the stock market, you know, to be honest with you. But I took that money out and I bought myself something nice with it. Do I regret it? No. But maybe I should have left it in there and not took out so much. But I mean, it is what it is. Like I said, you learn from your mistakes. But the stock market, that is such a big deal, especially in today's time. Like, everybody is learning about the stock market, it seems like, and it's something you want to look into. You just have to do it. Like, that's the only way you're gonna get richer, essentially, is if you have something that appreciates and value over time. Just like real estate, you learning about real estate, or you learning about the stock market, that knowledge, you know, you'll be able to apply that to whatever side of business. You know, just like health and fitness, you know, you invest in that, and then like you eventually just get a return on your investment, you know. So you do your research and, you know, figure out like your skills and how you can be of value to the world in any side of, you know, the spectrum of, you know, jobs and titles and things like that. But essentially, the stock market is like the best way, to me, in my opinion. Y'all can let me know down below in the comments. You know, essentially, that's the best way, or the best place to put your money is the stock market, because you can automatically have it taken out your account, and you know, increase your buying power and put it into things that will appreciate over time. And honestly, y'all, crypto is a major move right now. Like, it's worth so much, and it's only gonna keep going up, and it's only gonna fluctuate. The stock market is never gonna die. So with that being said, crypto is like, it's so expensive, and that's good, because it's backed by, you know, it's backed by something. It has monetary value with everything being online and like digital real estate, basically, you know, and artificial intelligence, and that whole artificial intelligence and technology in that whole little space. Like, I don't know if y'all heard about like LeBron James. It was a video clip of him dunking, and they sold it for like $32,000. And like, they literally have the rights to this video, and can't nobody like take that from them. And I was like, wow, like that's real powerful. Like, and just to think, like, decades before, like, they didn't even have cell phones, and now we to the point where you know, this shit really make a lot of money, like, honestly. And this a dead end. I'm sorry, y'all driving, but it's a market for these things. Bitcoin, like, it's so expensive, and it's backed by something just like gold. Money is backed by things, but, well, money is backed by our debt in the world, and we are in $1 trillion in debt. Probably more than that, more debt than we even know of. It literally says that on the dollar bill, debt tender. I don't carry cash that often, y'all, but it's definitely on there. And if you think about it, that's what we work for, to get out of debt and money. And if you get in broker each year, you have to find something to invest in that is gonna hold its value and appreciate. And crypto is one of those things, just like gold is, or investing in yourself, like your mental health, your physical health, your all that, educating yourself and everything, eating right. These are all investments, and there's only 3 things you can control: what you put in your head and your body. Yeah, that's really it. And yourself. Can't nobody tell you to eat this. Can't nobody make you eat that. If you don't want it, you don't have to put it in your body. Plain and simple. We all grown here, you know. So that whole money scheme thing, the whole grand scheme of things when it comes to money and all that, y'all gotta really think about that and be more financially literate. Like, for real. It's definitely goals when it comes to things like that, and putting money aside to invest, even if it's just a couple dollars. Because, that whole Bitcoin, man, like, it literally will go up and fluctuate. And it be stuff you forget about. Like, it literally be like $5 that you forget about, that's automatically come out your account, and one day you just check your Robinhood, your app, and you be like, wow, I had money in here the whole time. But it's just sitting there. You got to do something with it. You got to put it somewhere. That way, when you go back and look in a year's time, like, you probably done made $200 and you literally ain't do nothing. Like, that's like residual income. That stuff just add up in the grand scheme of things. And you just got to, see it as like an investment. You're investing. And you're going to get a return on your investment with stuff. You know what I'm saying? And do your research and due diligence. You know what I'm saying? But, the stock market. So, y'all, man, go like and subscribe, please, and comment down below. And, look out for future content, more raw heat that I'm recording that's coming on the way, y'all. So, with that being said, peace, family. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Remain healthy and keep a clear mind. Everything is good. Everything gravy. Y'all just hold it down. All right, y'all. Peace. Love y'all.